opening.
The second agenda is reciting of Holy Quran.
The third agenda is some speech by some speakers.
The fourth agenda is announcement.
The fifth agenda is entertainment.
The sixth agenda is closing.
Well, ladies and gentlemen,